So we are in the 488 GTB Ferrari. Should I say? It's GTB. 488 too. Wow. We are inside the F8 Tributo, 488, F8, SF90, F430. There's a lot of Ferraris at the shop right now, so I gotta get my Ferraris right. We are in this beautiful F8 that we wrapped previously, installed those gold wheels on it. The really exciting part about this right now is that we are the first in the US to install a full body kit on the F8. There was one or two done in Europe by another company, but this is the first kit from 1016 Industries. First kit from them in the world went on this car. We have more coming. A lot of parts. The back end, so many parts. There's fins, there's two diffusers, there's J-vents, they call them, underneath the taillights. There's a rear spoiler. It really improves the look in the back. The front looks amazing as well. It has these hood trims on there. A lower lip, two vent pieces that go underneath the taillights, headlights, and then two more pieces that go inside the headlight trim. And then of course you have the side skirts. So that's a lot of pieces for a body kit. It was all 3D scanned. You guys saw us do a 3D wing on it previously, and then they started making the whole kit in carbon fiber, and we were the first to install it. This car is not slammed. Customer did not want it lowered, so it is at stock height with the aftermarket wheels. The car does not have the lifter on there, so it would be very difficult if this car was slammed, no lifter. With a body kit, you're asking for a ton of trouble. It's not slammed, unfortunately. If it was slammed, this thing would be on another level completely, but we have more Ferraris coming up, so we'll get to that. With the body kit now, F8s are becoming very popular. We're doing a lot of F8 wraps, wheels, lowering, whatever, and now we have body kit options. So hit us up if you have an F8 you want to make out of this world. We could do a lot of different things to it.
Am I looking for Mano? Mr. Mano or Mr. Big, I don't know. Are you looking for the job? Yeah. My name is Luis. Miss Ruiz, you're looking for a manager.
All right, so how many years you been in business? Working as a body shop manager?
On the body shop, like 40 years.
What kind of cars did your employees work on while you were a manager?
Hondas, Toyotas, Nissan.
Okay. So let me get your phone number. I gotta talk to my business partners. And
I went some places and they say, asking for the phone number, they never call.
No, I'm gonna get, we definitely need a body shop manager. That's for sure. Where did you hear about us?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Oh, yeah, nice, I see nice. Right there.
Thank you for watching, by the way.
I'm really fan of this guy, the fat guy, you know, the bald head.
That's the guy we're firing, yeah.
Oh.
But he said he has 40 years experience, so ask any question you want. I asked him a couple and it looks good.
Okay. Do you know English?
Well, 80%.
I just want to hear you talk English. That's good. You know better English than Sarkis, it looks like, so that's good.
Sarkis is
he's our current body shop manager that is currently in Armenia, and we're looking for a new body shop manager. So, and you're wearing a suit. That's great. Sarkis came here in a Hawaiian shirt and crocodile loafers.
I went some places, you know, and they asking for my phone number. I give them the phone number, and they never call me back. You know.
Okay. In this position, unfortunately, you're required not to have a goatee on your face or your chin, and then that weird hair in the back.
I like you talk to me straight, not like the other people. They never tell me nothing about my this or my blah, blah, blah.
And then next time also don't wear gold glasses when you go to interviews.
I can take it. Sorry about that. No, I can't trust you, my glasses. I don't know you.
So how would you fix that employee that I have a problem with?
Iron. Right away.
That was really good.
Yeah!
That was good. Now you can take it off because I gotta return it.
Seriously, doesn't Luis make a better body shop manager than Sarkis? If I didn't need him to assist me with the body work, maybe I would think about it. But especially in that goofy outfit you have.
He's always here on time, so that's a plus. Sarkis is always late.
That's Just true. Because this,
would you guys like him to do body work inside the suit, wearing the suit, or?
I can try it. Beautiful like my hair. The other day I offered my hair to Moses. I'm gonna cut this one, put him over here.
So you're gonna give me free hair?
Yeah, free hair. And look at this back and back. Almost going, bro. Poor Moses, man. He gonna cry after this. Hey, he see this way, he gonna cry because he waiting for my hair. And I offer him, look at this. It's almost going. But you know why, pa? Why? Getting old, bro. 52, papa.
We're standing in front of something a little bit different, usually doing Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Ferrari. This is actually a 1967 Camaro SS that we fully repainted. This car came to us in a white color with the burgundy interior, really nice color, but the customer had damage on the side of it. Somebody smashed into him on the side. The door and the fender were beat up. Customer at the same time decided to actually repaint it a completely different color, wanted something darker but not black. So we suggested, if you guys could tell, the Eleanor color. This is pepper gray, which is what they used originally. Really, really nice gray. One of the nicest dark gray colors you could get. It has a lot of metallic flakes in there, greens, grays. We also repainted the stripes. So now you have that signature Camaro SS stripes right there. It's like a double stripe, a thick one and a small one. It goes throughout the front and the back. Perfectly done. You can't feel it when you go over it. That's how you know it's done right. It's all in the clear coat. This is all using PPG paint, of course, which is factory Lamborghini paint. It looks really incredible with all that polished metal all over it in the pepper gray, black stripes with burgundy interior. This has a newer Corvette engine in it, so it drives great as well. If I was into classics, this would be one of the cars I would own in this configuration as well. Let us know what you think.
Fuck! Everyone's gonna think this is my car because I'm gonna get my wallet from here. You guys, this is not my car.
It is his car. He's no,
it's not. It's not.
It is.
Oh my God.
You've been hiding it all this time.
I'm just getting my wallet. I left my wallet in this car. It's not my car.
How does that make sense?
Can you lock someone else's car?
His wallet is inside this car, so this is not his car, but his wallet's in there. Does that make any sense?
It's not my car. It's not my car. I have yours, but I'm taking your car?
Yeah.
Doesn't make any sense?
Well, come on. It's a Camry. It's a 2004 Camry.
Beautiful car. I love it. It actually runs better than any car I've driven.
Yeah, it runs good. It's clean.
The only thing, the steering wheel makes some noise, but just needs a little bit of lube. How do you keep it so clean?
I take care of it. I take care as much as I can. I love it. Hey, my brake lights are out.
Are they? Oh yeah.
Is it? Yeah. No.
Top left one. Yeah, it's a lot of smoke.
This has to be the cleanest Camry.
AC works too.
The only problem here is, why do you double cup? Are you drinking lean in the morning?
It's coffee. Yeah.
So this is from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday?
Yeah, and then I take it to my wash and I use it for 3 more days.
Same cup?
Yes. You gotta save money.
You have 5 houses. Why are you
You gotta save as much money as possible. So you gotta reuse your cups as much as you can.
All right. I'll see you later.
Enjoy the ride.
Thanks, man.